Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. Bobbin or Malika, and in today's video I'm going to see how much I can knit in 12 hours. So I know I just finished a 24-hour one, but I don't know, I'm really trying to get more progress. So I feel motivated every time I film a video, so that's why I'm gonna film this. How much can I knit? So it'll push me to like continue this, and I'm definitely going to finish this back panel today. Let me show you guys so far how it's looking. So I started this in my 24-hour video, and this is how it looks so far. It looks really small, but it's actually the same size as my sweater vest I did earlier this month. Like, I measured it out to see, because I know it's not really gonna look like a sweater. I think it's gonna look more like a long sleeve shirt, which is perfectly fine because it's gonna be cute either way, so I'm fine with that. But I'm gonna see how much I can knit in 12 hours. So it's 9:07, which means I'm not going to just time lapse until 9 p.m. but I will update, you know, here and there. But 9 p.m. will be the time I stop knitting and tell you guys how much I knitted in those hours. So let's just get it. Okay guys, so I finished the back panel. It has a lot of mistakes going on back here, but it's fine. It's in the back, so it doesn't matter. So now that I finished this, I'm going to start on the front panel, and we'll see how far I get in the hours that I have. And it's 11 right now, so let's get it. Okay guys, so I finished my ribbing, which is crazy because the ribbing is 20 rows. So I did 20 rows already on top of the rows I did to finish my back panel. So I got a lot done today. But for this front panel, I'm gonna do the opposite. So since I started with red, I'm gonna do green, and then so on and so on. But I still have an hour left before the 12-hour mark hits, so I'll probably get like 3 more rows in, maybe, and then I'll just be done because I got a lot done, so I'm not stressing anymore. And then I'll come back and do my outro, so let's get it. Okay guys, so I ended up doing 4 rows, which ends out my 12-hour. How much can I knit for 12 hours? How much can I knit in 12 hours? So it's 9:10 right now, and this is how the beginning of my panel is starting to look. And then I finished this panel today as well, and I feel like I got way more done in this 12-hour video than I did in my 24-hour video, which is weird. But I got a lot done today. Like, I was literally knitting all day, and knitting takes long for me. So for me to have finished a panel and start a new panel is insane. I'm really proud of myself that I got this much done because I need this sweater done like soon. So hopefully I could finish this panel within like 2 days or something. If I like work on it nonstop, I'm pretty sure that I can finish it, but that's for another video. So that's all for this video, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.